What is Canva? Canva is an easy-to-use online graphic design tool. It lets you create many types of visual content, like posters, social media posts, presentations, and infographics. With a wide range of templates, images, and design elements, it's great for both beginners and experienced designers. The drag-and-drop interface makes it simple to customize designs without needing advanced skills. Uses of Canva. As social media graphics, make eye-catching posts and stories for platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Presentations. Design professional slides for school or work. Posters and flyers. Create promotional materials for events and ma. Canva Free versus Canva Pro. Key differences. Cost. Canva Free is free to use, while Canva Pro requires a paid subscription. Templates and elements. Free gives limited access to templates, while Pro offers thousands of premium options. Customization. Free has basic options, but Pro includes advanced features like brand kits and custom fonts. Storage. Free offers limited cloud storage, while Pro provides more storage and organization options. Free allows basic formats, while Pro offers additional formats like transparent backgrounds and animations. Canva is a versatile tool for creating visually appealing content for personal use, education, or business. In conclusion, Canva is the perfect tool for anyone looking to create eye-catching designs without the hassle. Whether you're starting a YouTube channel, designing a flyer for work, or creating a poster for a cause, Canva's user-friendly interface and wide range of templates make it easy to bring your vision to life. With Canva, even beginners can create professional quality content that stands out. If you want to elevate your designs and get creative, this is the tool for you.